So it is not dependent on the cell number, it is dependent on the cell size. So అన్ని సైజ్లో సేమ్ ఉన్న బ్యాక్టీరియా అన్నీ ఒకేలా లైట్ స్కాటర్ చేస్తాయి. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్, based on the amount of light scattering, will calculate the cell mass. Okay, so as I have said already, turbidity increase avutundi whenever bacterial grows. So whenever the concentration bacteria reaches about 10 power 7 ante 10 million cells ainappudu, the medium appears cloudy ga kanipistundi. That is nothing but turbidity. Okay, so when such turbidity is reached, you pass a beam of light through this culture and the amount of light transmitted is measured. So greater the turbidity, lesser would be the transmission of the light through the medium. So the light transmitted is inversely proportional to the number of bacteria. Okay, and this turbidity can be measured using spectrophotometer or nephelometer. Here on this diagram you can see the tube with the cell free medium, that is there are no bacterial cells. So the light is transmitted completely. Okay, now we are taking the tube with suspension of microorganisms. Okay, and in this we can see the more number of the bacteria are there, the light will be deflected or the light will be scattered. Okay, there is no scattering in the first picture where there are no microbes, but there is scattering in the second picture where you can see the recording of the 75, the arrow at the 75 mark. That is, the light is scattered in a such a angle, in a such a way. Okay, that is visible in the detector. Okay, due to this we can indicate, and based on this deflection or this scattering we can calculate the number of the mass of the bacteria. It would be the just like a growth curve where we can extrapolate based on the, like how you draw the graph based on optical density, you calculate the concentration. In the same way, based on the scattering, we calculate the biomass of the microbial cells. Okay, so this is notes, this is the topic of measurement of bacterial growth. Okay, hope you understood this.